added is possibility to send shipped status to PrestaShop when order is delivered on Odoo site. For this, you need first of all to check that expert sales order status job is enabled. And second thing, you go to sales order defaults and make sure that run action on shipping SO is checked and shipped order substatus is also selected. To corresponding status, we should change sales order to when the sales order is delivered. So now this configuration is done, and what we are going to do, we go to sales order that we have just synchronized. We go to delivery. Pay attention that here we have a status payment accepted. Okay. We go delivery. We click validate. Apply. So now delivery order was done. You see that e-commerce order status has changed. Let's go to orders list in PrestaShop, and you see that this status was also automatically changed to shipped. This was done using separate job, so if something wrong happened, you will see the error message. But here, no problems happened.